Well, with the COVID-19 emergency declaration ending on May 11th, so will continuous enrollment of the Medicaid program. Now, basically what happened during COVID is that there was a stop put on reviewing eligibility requirements for those on Medicaid. So for the past 3 years, that coverage just continued rolling over. However, if you fail to update your information by April 1st, that health coverage that you depend on won't be available to you. Robert Tasman, Vice President of Mission Integration with Our Lady of Lourdes, says over 2 million Louisianians are enrolled in Medicaid or the La Chip program. Now, that's about 40% of the population, and of that 2 million, 268,000 are below the age of 64.
It's a tremendous amount of individuals in our state, and I think what you would find is you would find somewhat of a similar trend in the Deep South, whether it's our neighbors like Mississippi, maybe even perhaps Alabama. And so because of the economies that we have, naturally our population is more impacted by this than other states in the country. But regardless of that fact, people are people, human beings are human beings. We want to make sure that we care for all and that we do it in the utmost and most efficient and quality ways that we can.
All right, guys, so this is what you need to know. Deadline is April the 1st. Now, that means you have to have all of your paperwork filled out, the information updated, etc. You can do all of that by going to the Department of Health website. Now, that's ldh.la.gov. Now, we do have a quick link posted in this story over on katc.com. Also, check your mail because there will be renewal forms that are heading your way. If you haven't gotten them already, make sure you fill those out as quickly as possible and get those sent back in. Now, you should be able to find out about your eligibility by July 1st. Now, remember, again, if that information is not updated or completed, you could lose coverage on July 1st. So you will find something out. You don't, Dave, want to find that out when you go to the doctor for an issue and then find out that, oh, wait, I'm not covered.
Well, what happens if you've missed that deadline? Is there going to be another deadline in the future?
Nope. That's it. It's a hard deadline. April 1.
Done.
No, April 1 is when you have to have that done. You know, there's been no indication that there's an extension or anything like that. And it's really easy to do. Remember, even if you don't, let's say, have internet on your home or on your phone, as I know many of us do, but some of us don't have access to that, go to your public library. You know, there you can use the internet there and you can fill it out. You will be getting a hard copy in the mail. So just don't throw anything away. Make sure that you're going through because we see stuff, we're like, oh, I don't need that. Go through all of it, and it has to be complete. Yeah. You can't leave anything out. You don't want to lose this coverage. You
Absolutely
know,
not.
We've had, I think it was 94 million people in the U.S. That are now on Medicaid and in the CHIP program.
And you're saying 40% of Louisianians?
40%. Wow. And then 268,000 of those 2 million under the age of 64.
Wow.
So you definitely don't want to have your children losing their coverage or anything like that. So make sure you fill it out April 1st. Go to our website. Quick link there, all the information that you need. Go to LDH's website. I mean, it is clear.
So don't get fooled. April 1st.
April 1.
Gotcha.
It's not an April Fool's joke. It's April 1. Now we're going to head over to Daniel Phillips for a look at your forecast. Good morning, Daniel.